Hey guys, I know it's been a while. Sorry about that, but even your favorite metal fabricator needs a break every now and then. Just going to tell you one thing. If you're ever in Lauderdale by the Sea, Vinny's, that's where you need to be. Incredible. Thank you, Vincent. Anyhow, now that the free plug's out of the way, hey, we're getting ready to fiberglass the body. You can see I built a little rotisserie. Here's the hot, brand new Predator 212. Thank you, Harbor Freight. $99 Black Friday sale. Snatched that up. You can see the tail's ready to go. Anyhow, I built this little rotisserie here. So, I've got to fiberglass the sides. And then I'm going to wrap this bottom corner. So, anyhow, took a few seconds to whip that up. Otherwise, not much change. I did a little clearancing in here. You can see I started, that's the bracket for the fuel tank, and then the angled bottom will be for the steering, one of the steering bearings. Clearance there for the crankshaft, flywheel, actually torque converter, apologies. I've been polyurethaning the inside. I just slopped on like 3 coats. I got to get in there and start sanding here pretty soon. It's getting pretty rough, but I wanted to get some material there to work with. The hood, no changes there. One of you guys asked about the tail. You can see here, it just simply hooks on. I'll show you the tail here. Bear with me. See there, it's just a steel plate with 2 holes in it. And it hooks on there. That's the inside of the tail. I don't know if I've ever shown you that before. So you can see, I didn't mention it earlier, but you can see this is the frame mock-up. I had some extra 3/4 plywood laying around and I wanted to play with that before, but this is what we're going to be building. This will be 1x3 tube. I think that's like darn near every other Cyclecart 16 gauge. Springs will mount traditional manner, front and rear suspension. So there you go, guys. It's a 9.5 ounce cloth. Should be able to make a big mess with that. Hey guys, I want to thank you for your comments. Some of you guys have had really kind things to say, and I really appreciate that. Keeps me moving. For the rest of you, please like and subscribe. It really helps out a lot. Really trying to build the channel here, and you guys are the secret. So appreciate your help. Talk to you soon.